How to connect an element to CSS. First things first, you need to have CSS installed onto your site. In order to do that, you need to have in here this CMS option, and then make sure that this is actually added. Now, once you have it installed, you can click on a specific element and then click on this connect to CMS option. Now in here, you can just choose in here the data set that you want to connect this particular element into. So just click on this add a data set and then create a data set that you want to add in here. We have in here this data set, so click on this create. Then as you can see, it will be connected to this particular data set that we have. So you can also connect this to a particular field of that, and then it shall be connected as well. So that's how you connect an element to CMS. Hope this video helped you out.